This is a new one. You can buy these online for about $130. GM Parts Direct is where I bought mine. Well, first thing, you got to pop these little covers off where the screws are that hold the door panel. Cover here, there's two there. And over here, one there. You got to pull this cover off here. That usually just pops off just like that. All these screws are Torx. I'm not sure what size. All except the one small one on the left corner. It's just a hex head screw. Pop those all off. Panel lifts up. All it's going to be holding on now is the cable for the door latch. Whatever, it's no big deal. Okay, and this over here, there's two tangs on each side, one on each side. You just stick a screwdriver in. When you go to pop it off, stick a screwdriver there on each side, and that'll pop that out. I didn't catch that when I pulled it out. And then your panel's off. Now you got to pull this away here, this cover, and it's held on with some like sealing. You just hold it back, just like that, just to get it out of my way. Now I did what I did so far with the window down so that I could work from the back side here to get this stuff off. But I'm going to have to put the window up now so that I can get to everything in here. I'm going to get that later. And you're going to take this off. Okay, we're going to take this. Bolt there holds the window track, and just loosening that's going to give you a little more flexibility when you go to take the latch out. These little tangs here for that hold the wires that go to the electrical connection that goes to the door latch. We're just going to move those out of the way. The inside the latch, this little snap retainer here is what holds the rod from the outside door handle. So I'm gonna have to reach up in there. Like I said, you can get a mirror and look up in here, and it's kind of difficult, but you're gonna reach up in there and you're gonna feel that, and it snaps away from the latch. That's the way it comes loose. You're just gonna stick a screwdriver in between. You're just gonna have to like feel it, and then it snaps free. And then the latch is, all we have is the 3 bolts. And then we'll be able to pull the latch out. Okay, now you're going to try to get the latch out. It's unbolted here. You got your thing off here. This is the hardest thing, is to get this thing to come through and pull it out. And once it's out, like I said, you got your wire, and you're going to take this off. This is like a Z rod, so you just kind of pull it and turn it, pull it off. Now your electrical connector, all you do is pry up on this top piece here, and it pulls it away. And it's off. Okay, this is the new latch. We're going to put our plug on it, and it just goes on and snaps back on. And it orients like that when it goes up in there. Kind of tricky to get up in there. Okay, once you jockey it up in there, you got to put this back on. That goes through there. It's kind of tricky, especially when you're right-handed. Get the door latch up there as high as you can. Just pop it in there. There it is. So once you get that back on there, now you just got to get your bolts. Once that's bolted up tight, then you can put this little grommet back on. Make sure the door lock works right, and it does. We're going to reattach our window track. I'm going to double check to make sure my wires and everything are on the right side of the window track, and they are. So I'm going to put our tabs back in that hold the wiring harness in place. Get our door panel. Okay, now we're going to put the door panel back on. We're going to hook our cable back on. That just kind of snaps right in like that. Light switch. Just our window switch. It just kind of snaps back in just like that. We're going to put our button back on. And you put your panel on. So once you get it started on the top, then you're just going to snap your fasteners back in. Okay, up in there is that latch. I forgot to snap that back on. I ended up having to take the panel and everything all back off again. You see that little yellow snap fitting there? That's just going to go over that threaded rod and just snap over. It'll be done. Hope this helps you.